Furniture series. Again, we're at Annsborough, MI Homes. Guys, let's go inside and take a look. I'll be right back. Immediately, I am struck by the stonework on this home. Okay, beautiful. Listen, you know I always tell you I'm from North Carolina, from Charlotte, all right? Man, we love a covered front porch because we can sit out here, man, with our rocking chair, have a little sweet tea. All right, so thank you, MI Homes, for that. I really appreciate it. Let's go inside here and take a look at our Blair floor plan, all right? Now, I tell you what, immediately, I absolutely love coming in. Listen, a wide open for you here. Okay, this is awesome. Thank you for that, MI Homes. But I also love this dining space right here. Now, this touch with the mirrors, listen, I normally don't talk about like the furniture and stuff in the home, but I do like that chandelier. I love the mirrors on each side. It makes the room feel really large. Got hardwood floors in here too. All right, let's go inside. And here we are, wide open. So immediately we got a powder room on this side. Let me go ahead and bore you with that real quick, but here you go. Got a nice powder room, pedestal stool right there, okay? And then we make our way into our home, and here we go. Absolutely wide open. Love this space for entertaining family, friends. Look at this. Beautiful. Can you see yourself in here with your family? I can. Look at that. Love the fireplace. Got some good natural light coming in. Now this one, look at this. What a breakfast bar on the other model, but got a nice size island right here. And normally you don't see this, okay? Storage right there on this side of the cabin, okay, or the side of the island, I should say. You normally don't see that, but I do like that. Still got that gourmet kitchen set up. I wouldn't expect anything less than that. Here we go. I didn't point out at the other home, guys. They do have gas here, so this is awesome. Still get tons of storage. Got tons of storage there. Look at all the cabinets around. If you like to cook, you can definitely get that done here, without a doubt. Got our nice eat-in section right here too. This is great. Right there, all right. Covered back porch. Didn't screen this one in, but it is covered. I do like that. So you still get some reprieve from that sun. And man, I tell you what, it's been cooking in Charlotte already. It is so hot. All right, here we go. So we're sticking with that same theme, guys. We've got a mother-in-law suite right here on our main level. They're definitely doing some generational living out here, which is great. Here we go. Got a full bathroom here. Okay, your mom will be very happy with you. Okay, if you did that, and your guests coming over. Got a look at really large pantry right there. Now, of course, there's going to be your garage right here. Got our butler's, no, that's not our butler's pantry, but our mudroom right there. And we'll make our way right back through our kitchen area, all right? Can't wait to hear below what you guys think about the Blair floor plan with MI. There we go. Love this thick crown molding up here. This is awesome. All right, let's go upstairs and take a look and see what we've got here. Right at the top of the stairs, here we go. Got some good space. We got a loft right here. I like that. I'll tell you, my kids would just take over this whole house. They would. Here we go. Alrighty. Now this is our large and in charge primary bedroom. Let me get some light on here for you. Here we go. Look at this. Goodness. I mean, this room is huge. My goodness. I mean, we've got a chair here. Look at all the space. Look at this. This is amazing. That's a king size bed too, and that thing looks small. And this dwarf, it just dwarfs that thing. Here we go. All right, so here is our primary bathroom. Okay, look how large this is. This is a large bathroom, dual vanity sinks, of course. And look again, we got our car wash shower in here. Here we go, love it. Okay, let's take a look at our closet. Here we go right here. And we got 3,000 square feet here, friends. So this is a nice size home too, okay? A little over 3,300 square feet. Make our way to the laundry room. And that brings us right back out to that loft area. Check that out, pretty neat. Okay, we missed a bedroom here. Let's go take a look real quick. All right, here we go. And I can imagine we've got a Jack and Jill set up here. Let's see. All right, so here's our ensuite bathroom for this bedroom. Let's see if we can make our way through. Yep, there we go. So this one does share, but this is cool though. Here's our other bedroom here. Excellent. All right. Let's make our way to the other side and see what we've got here. Okay. Got a bathroom here. Let's get some light on here for us. There we go. So we got our bathroom here, dual vanity sinks. Okay. And of course, can't have a bathroom without a shower. And you know what I'm going to tell you. I'm ripping it out. I'm going to put in tile all the way to the ceiling. Okay. Let's go. And then here we go. Our last bedroom in this home. Really nice sized bedroom. I love a cutout right there for the study space. I like that little office area, little nook. Level it up. All right. Guys, listen, I hope you enjoyed this tour. Again, we're at Annsborough Park by M.I. Homes, okay? Guys, great community right here in Concord, North Carolina. Give me a call. I'll connect with my girl, Whitney. Don't call her without me, okay? This is a great neighborhood with great schools. They will take care of me. They will pay me to assist you in buying a home, okay? So listen, give me a call, 704-340-3822. I'm at your service. Let's go.